Hello, hello. Sorry, we're a little bit late. I very chaotic this morning. All right, is this working? Is this thing on? Hello? All right, we're good. Good morning, everyone. Hello, hello. Carnivore, thank you very much for the Prime sub. I appreciate it. Thank you, thank you. Sterling, I don't know if I thanked you the other stream. Thank you for your sub as well. I appreciate it. Thank you. We are gonna jump into some ffmpeg Imagemagick stuff. I've been wanting to like get better at figuring at like using those tools because they're so incredibly powerful, but they kind of scare me. So we're gonna check it out. We're gonna maybe build a little script with gum. If we find there's like some operations that we really enjoy doing, it'd be kind of cool to build out a script with gum where you can like select a file and then choose from a list of options of like operations you'd like to do on that image or video. I think that'd be pretty cool. Hey Nightshade, hey Hong, how's it going? How's it going? Alrighty. Let's see. I'm just making sure I'm not missing anything. Yeah, I think we're good. I think we're good. This isn't gonna be like the longest stream in the world because your girlie's got a lot of stuff to do, but it's okay. As I woke up, I had like I have the craziest bags under my eyes today, and I don't know why. Oh, you know what? It's because I had kimchi stew for like right before bed. It's all the sodium. Wait, I did it to myself. It's okay. Nothing BioSteel can't fix, I believe. Test, test, test. Hello. Hello, hello. You guys mocking my test? Hmm? You saying I can't test in prod? Don't tell me what to do. I will. I can and I will test in prod. Let's see. Okay, ffmpeg, and we want image magic. I think I have both of these things installed. Me. Oh, you know what? We're in Emacs, so it's like so easy to. You guys can't see what I'm doing yet. Wrecked. Sick. Okay. Okay. What's your opinion on porting Charm over to ink? I love the Charm Tui. Oh, you mean like bubble tea and all that? Porting it over to ink. I've never heard of ink. I mean, the license for bubble tea, lip gloss, all the libraries is MIT, so more the merrier. Just give me one sec. I'm trying to figure out. I can't. Am I blurry today? I think I'm having some skill issues. I may or may not be encountering some skill issues today. Don't mind me. I'm trying to figure out how to like get my man pages to show full size instead of just a little pop up. So just bear with me. Yo, what's up? What's up, Cyrus? What's up, Geo? Test, test, test. Welcome in. Hey, guys. That camera's not behaving? Oh, no. Hold on. Okay. Is it paying attention now? No, it's not. Wait, hello? I didn't even do anything. You can't break if I didn't do anything. It's not fair. Hey, Manuel, what's up? Dragon, hello, hello. Yeah, we're gonna take a little peek at Imagemagick and okay, wait. Mm. The scuff bunny is back. Yes, yes. Yes. Got my little cup of tea. You guys got your tea, coffee ready to hang? Why do I like Go? I think the biggest thing I love about Go is the simplicity. Like I feel like there's too many programming languages where the creators keep being like, yeah, that feature sounds cool. And then they like add it in. And then it just becomes the most like bloated thing where there's like a million ways to do the exact same thing. Go, it's like there aren't even while loops. Like it's one thing. It's one way to do things. And I like that simplicity and dedication to the cause. Ooh. Yeah, sorry guys, bear with me. Hmm. Oh well. Hmm. Okay, anyway. Um, we're all good. We'll just go. We'll just do it anyway. All right, guys. Let's take a look at some man pages. Take a look at some man pages, and then we'll also get okay, I can't kill you. Interesting. So scuffed today. Sorry guys, I'm just living a life of scuff. So, Imagemagick is something that I think would be pretty cool. So, I don't know about you guys, but sometimes I use Photoshop and Illustrator and things like that. And I was considering, there's a lot. I feel like I want to support some open source tools, but from what I was reading, GIMP is still not to the standard that we'd want. But a lot of people have been vouching for Imagemagick, and I've worked with it a little bit, but not a ton. So today I want to see like kind of what oh shoot. Wait, I broke it. It's not letting me go back to my pop-up. No. Oh man. Okay, anyway. It's fine. I'll just make it more scuff. No, it's still not working. Okay. Hold up, you guys. Struggle sesh today, for real. There we go. Nice. Okay. So, we're going to use this. We're going to take a look at, we'll get Crush to help us as well because why not? Would it be possible to summarize what you're going to show in today's stream? Yeah. I don't have a huge plan for today, but what I want to do is I want to explore some different ways that people use Imagemagick and ffmpeg. Think about some different things, I don't know, workflows that might be helpful for me. And then possibly turn it into a little gum script where you get like what I mean by gum script is it's like a shell script, but you use gum so you have like interactivity, which means that you can do a really easy like file selection and choose from a list of options and all that kind of stuff where it's interactive. So I think what I want to do is have a little script where I have like predefined operations that I can do based on whether it's an image or a video that is selected as the file, and then yeah, and then like do like have those operations, whatever you want to do to those things. I think that would be pretty helpful. And I got some paper in front of me, so I'm going to write down some things that some operations that I tend to do. Bash for Prez, let's go. Country got problems, I can fix them. Got it. But yeah, so you can use this stream as like the perfect little time if you're curious. You can have me on in the background and work on your own little side projects that I know you've been avoiding. All of your graveyard of side projects. Now's the time. All right. So, let's see. Okay, for images, both images. Okay, images and video. So I like when they have a square. You know what? I should do this on here so you guys can see what I'm actually doing. I'll just do a little. Let's do make directory and let's do image, video, gum. I say you just do like socials automation. I don't know. Guys. Naming stuff is hard. Anyway, let's go into our little socials automation guy. And then I'm gonna do let's do like goals. Make a little org file. All right. So, first thing. Let's work. Hold on. Opposite. With Imagemagick. Yeah, we were gonna do more Haskell today, and then I changed my mind. I said I'm actually more curious to check out some Imagemagick and ffmpeg stuff. All right, let's work with Imagemagick and ffmpeg to do some cool stuff. All right. So what are things that I often need? I often need I need them to be square resolution. Even though it's even if it's shot in like 16 Hello, 16 by 9. What else do I want? I want to actually be able to break up. I want to have a video and break it up, have it maybe only capture like create an image from every like, I don't know, second or half second or something of footage. So break down a video into an image generated every like every X seconds, and then make that either like probably make output either to a GIF or a sequence or an image sequence. Those would probably be helpful. What else could be cool? There's like some crazy overlay stuff that you can do, like having you can create some pretty crazy like different templates and styles that you can like overlay onto your images and stuff like that. Yo, what's up, Juju? Thanks for hanging out. I appreciate it. Thank you, thank you. I've spent hours a day on that specific problem. What if the POI is on the left side of the image and video? How do you know how to crop it correctly? That is a headache. Yeah, I think so too. I think it should by default like try and go for the I think okay, maybe what we can do is for the square resolution. Oops. For the square resolution, for this one maybe we can actually, you know what? I'm gonna turn this. Oh. These should probably be like actual little talking points here. I could have just changed the prefix, but whatever. It's fine. Yeah, we delete these. Okay. So, for the square resolution thing. So, I think it should default to centered, but you can optionally set left or right. I wonder, okay, so questions. Okay, wait, questions. Questions that are already immediately coming up. Okay. Questions. Is there a way to detect the subject in an image? I know that Photoshop does this. How what font is this? This is Terminus. Terminus nerd font. Is the plan to extract all the frames with ffmpeg and run Imagemagick on them? I think that's one of the things that I want to be able to do. Like be able to, because I think I want to be able to like, because you know obviously I'm like a one-man show over here, so it'd be really nice to be able to just like film my little photo shoot thing and have it like if I want to do almost like a time lapse kind of vibe, do that, but have it be able to like chop it up based on how like obviously how choppy I want it to be. And then probably create like a GIF, or even I could convert that back into a video, but just like I think it'd be a cool effect. So I guess the answer is yes, but this is just for one of the things that we're gonna do. I want to see what like okay. I think with ffmpeg, I'd love to be able to see I believe obviously because it's a video, it has access to like all the audio data as well. Be pretty cool if I could get ffmpeg to like chop up or cut out all of the any like blank space, any quiet times. Option for that would be cool. but we haven't gotten there yet. Right now we're just on like the first little bit here of like um we're just looking at square resolution for a sec. What do you mean one man? I thought you were one bunny here. We're all bunnies here. My life is a lie. Yes, exactly. Yes. True. It'll come a time where I'll be able to use org or better understand how I could use it, but today is not the day. If you're not ready to be nerd sniped, I wouldn't do it. It's different. Like I will say, I wish it was easier to do like I think I just have to tweak a little bit. But like I can't. I always forget the key combination to like add a block. There's like I don't know. I don't use it enough and then I always forget how to anyway. It's like to like insert quotes or have like code blocks and stuff in there. It's like a certain key combination instead of just like um I don't know, special characters. Just as ChatGPT, all the commands for ffmpeg, it was known about 10 years ago. Yeah, yeah, we'll use some AI, but I think it'd be interesting too to like right now we're just exploring. Okay, we're in the exploration phase. We're in the research stage of the coding thing. Okay, which means I want to figure out what I actually want to build, like what would actually be helpful, and then I want to look also. We're gonna look at some inspiration from other people who use these tools and say like what are their workflows with it. I would love to check out, okay, it'd be fun to do that. It'd be fun to do like special effects. Um, like darken a background and here, actually special effects. I'll do like it's just kind of like layering, I guess. I want to listen to some music, you guys. Hold on. Let's get some music up in here. I need it. Try not to get DMC copyright striked. I think we'll be good. Got my little music channels that we go to. Okay. Mm-mm. I was still muted. Yeah, my bad. Um, yeah, so anyway, I was saying you should have some music now that you can hear. That's vibey. All right, so I was thinking it could be cool if, depending on whether or not we can detect a subject and an image, and if we can figure out how to do that, that'd be kind of sick. But even if we, yeah, there must be a way to like, there for sure is a way to like remove background on a subject, 100%. Anyway, being able to do that, darken a background, put the subject back on it, and then with the subject brightened, that'd be cool. I've been co-working with your live stream pods all week. I'm so happy to have caught one live now. Let's go! That's so nice. Thank you, thank you. I appreciate it. Thank you, thank you. We love ffmpeg. Is this related to the recent Theo drama? No, it's just a good tool. I don't really take any tech drama on Twitter seriously. Like, I don't know. It's like, hey, who cares, man? Just be nice to each other. Like, what's the problem? We all just like computers. What's the problem? Who cares? Yeah. Okay. Darken background, pull subject, brighten would be cool. I would also love to figure out if, okay, hear me out. Don't quite know how this would work, but if I have like a little charm, okay, not like charm from charm, but like a little star or something like that. Okay, a little star or something like that. What if I wanted to like overlay that on the image in some randomized kind of way? I think that'd be kind of cool. And then I can add like a different, like a little tint to it or something and save it as a setting, as like something reproducible. Mix ffmpeg with some advanced charm code. It'll be epic. Yeah. I don't know yet what we're gonna do with ffmpeg. Okay, let's say like glitter girl. Glitter girl theme. Which is basically if I have some little icon guy plus randomly scattered on an image, and then also option for like a colorful overlay, like tinted a bit, and that'd be kind of cool. Okay, so these are some special effects for image. Oops. These are kind of like more for Imagemagick. Bro, I don't know what is happening with my brain today. I'm not gonna lie. I don't know what's going on. All right, and then let's go into ffmpeg. Okay, what would be cool for ffmpeg? It would be sick if I could, okay, we were saying grab still. Oh, here, actually this guy. Okay, it would, what else would be cool with ffmpeg? I don't know how other people are using ffmpeg. Like, how could I use it to actually like time things well? It could be that like okay, let's say we want a new clip showing. The brain isn't always braining. I know, that's how it's feeling today. Don't forget watermark. Ooh, true. Actually, yeah, watermark on image or watermark on video would be sick. Okay. What would be insane, and I don't ask me how this is possible. I'm just saying, okay? We're just exploring the field, and then we'll pull back. Make it more realistic down the line, okay? What would be crazy is, let's say I have like an editing system that I want. So let's say that I want to like have a new clip showing every 20 seconds. Okay, new clip. Okay, we'll just explore. Okay. Editing zone. Okay. So let's say we want a new clip every like 20 seconds or something. Okay. We want a new clip every 20 seconds. We want like okay, this is where I'm trying to figure out like how we could break it how we could break it down without actually having to like look at the footage. You know? Ads. Oh no. Oh no, only the subs are safe. What about Copy Party? What is Copy Party, Todd? Working on a parallel agent add-on for Crush. I have it working and we'll be releasing as soon as I'm done testing with Git. Nice, nice. I'm sure, do you have the PR open already? My Gen X brain equates 20-second clips to doom scrolling. I know, but I was watching some videos, recently and I was like, man, this is kind of what they're doing. This is kind of what they're doing, right? It doesn't necessarily have to be, it's not like you're changing topics every 20 seconds, but like it's like good to have visual texture. Anyway, okay. And then maybe have like X number of clips per like section of the video. And then maybe have a title page auto-generated. Ooh, yeah, okay, auto-generated. To intro, new section. And this one would be cool. So basically, what would I want to provide to it? I want to like, okay, I would want to provide, hello, can't type either. Provide the section name, new section name. Auto numbered. And then like, would I want some kind of effect? Do I want some kind of effect that I can like choose from a list? That'd be cool. That'd be cool. That'd be cool. I found a time-stamped transcription is super helpful to pass to an LLM and have it pull out interesting clip time codes. Ooh, I like that. Ghost, thank you so much for the 19 months. I appreciate it. Thank you, thank you. No, I will soon. Okay, cool. Thank you. That's very nice. Okay, yeah. We like that. We like that. Time-stamped transcription. Probably an ffmpeg thing, is my guess. I don't know. Again, you guys, I've literally the amount of things that I've done with ffmpeg is very limited. I use it to like convert between different file types, like convert a movie to like a MOV file to a GIF and things like that. But in terms of like using it on the command line, that's pretty much all I've done, except I've used it in like VHS uses ffmpeg under the hood. So like I know that there's a lot that you can do with it. Okay, transcription. Oh, okay, another thing that would be kind of crazy. transcription, and then you can like pass to LLM for to mark interesting time codes. You guys, imagine if we pull this off, dude. That'd be crazy. It'd be crazy to automate your like 90% of your editing stuff. That'd be actually insane. ffmpeg is such a powerful tool. It's silently in the background of a lot of GUI editors. Dude, 100%. It's insane. Guys, there's a reason I was like, I woke up this morning and I was like, I'm sorry, I love Haskell. I'm very excited to learn Haskell, but I can't do it today because I need to learn. It's not a want, but a need. I must learn about ffmpeg and Imagemagick. I have ideas. Add a QR code to your link tree? Wait, what? Vask, thank you so much for the Prime sub. I appreciate it. Thank you, thank you. No worries, Neris. Welcome in, welcome in. No stress. For what it's worth, I don't even know my own commands, so you're all good. There's no expectations here. All right. Transcription. Okay, yeah. Then you can pass to an LLM to mark interesting time codes. It'd be cool. Okay, what would be insane? Okay, next level of this. Pass to... Okay, step 1. Pass to LLM for interesting time codes. Crazy number 2 would be putting those, like, basically creating, I guess, vertical footage with those time codes as new videos. Layer on the text, the voice as the text as subtitles. There we go. Layer on the text plus create subtitles file with the new short. That way you can upload it and it can be translated. What else? I love Haskell. Liar. What do you mean? I like it so far, even though it's hurt me in the past, but I still love it. Also use that flow to tag YouTube chapters. Oh, interesting. Okay, so this could be. Okay, so this could be either for, okay, this is, wait, step 1. Okay, option 1. I'll say option A, except I already got option 1. No, option 1. This is to create shorts from long form. All right, and then option 2 would be create chapters for the video. For what it's worth, I feel like this chapters thing kind of falls into this like editing zone thing that I'm brainstorming if it works. Tell me 3 things you like about Haskell. I like Haskell syntax, and I like that it makes everything into a function. What else do I like? I like not shipping, so it's good for that. No, I'm just kidding. Sorry, I have to, I have to put in a little trash talk in there just for funsies. Just to put it out there into the internet and see what happens. Just for funsies. Just to feel something. All right. This would be crazy. This would be so good. Okay. Do we start with Peek in Shambles? Yeah, for real. You guys can poll if you care. ffmpeg or Imagemagick? ffmpeg magic. All right. You fell in my trap. No third thing. Ah, I got you. Oh no. I don't know. Yeah, I don't know which one to start with first. I don't know which one's most interesting. Here, YouTube, you are also allowed to be in a poll. Hello? Obviously. I don't know if you guys care. Hey Vash, I hope you have a good day. I hope you have a great day, Waffles. Thank you for the positivity. I appreciate it. It's very nice. I think my AC is going a little too hard right now. I'll be right back. I'm gonna get cozy. Let's get cozy. Cozy coding. Man, I got a new like what are those called? Like a reed diffuser. The where it's like the liquid and you put the sticks in there and then it diffuses. I got it and I thought it would smell good and it's in my office now and every time I walk in here I feel like I'm at grandma's house. It smells like baby powder and flowers and it's like the weirdest thing. For some reason I'm immediately like grandma. It's grandma smells. Meemaw. We're officially evolving further into Bash Bunny as grandma. So just so you're all aware. So you have the full feel of the vibes right now. Yeah, next stream I'll have some potpourri. We're evolving. All right. Okay, thinking about this editing workflow a bit more. Okay, every new clip is gonna have to be like, I'm gonna have to plan that. So, okay, so I'm trying to think of like the process, right? New here from YouTube? Yo, nice. Welcome in, welcome in. Thanks for hanging out. All right, so we have a new clip every 20 seconds. We're gonna need a certain number of clips per section of the video. It's gonna kind of depend on the section, on how in depth it should be. Because I was thinking it would be kind of cool if, dang, it'd be kind of cool if like, I guess like AI would be good for this, kind of. I was thinking it'd be nice if I could like, if whatever tool I'm building with ffmpeg would basically be like, you can either give it the files, or it gives you like a, almost like kind of a checklist, and then you can like add the files to each step where you need them, and then it like slaps them all together, you know? Okay. Hold on. I'm drawing just for fun to see things. So I only know how long a section's going to be after filming, kind of. I don't think this editing one's going to take a bit more thought, I think. But I do like the idea of this title page. That would be nice. So this I'll maybe bump up to its own little section. All right, you get your own little section. Hey, what's up, Linux? Hello, hello. Yeah, okay, that'd be cool. Now, oh, what was the, okay, poll on YouTube said ffmpeg. Let me check the Twitch. View results. Oh, okay. So Twitch said Imagemagick. YouTube said ffmpeg. Which one had more votes? That is the question. Trying to find. Oh. Oh, it's still voting. Actually, they're tied right now for number of votes. Actually, it's a bit more divided on YouTube. Now it's getting closer to 50%. Okay, so I think... Okay, I like the idea of the... Okay, I think title page, top priority. This one I'm very interested in. All right, I'm interested in you. I'm gonna like add a little space here just so that I can divide them up a tiny bit. Square resolution thing would be interesting. What did you make? Oh, we're working on what we can automate / create with Imagemagick, ffmpeg, and then turn it into like an interactive little script situation. It's the Linux kernel of the internet media tech stack. Yeah, I agree. It's crazy. Open to collab? On what? Lithium says, I hear Imagemagick is really good for images. I have mixed feelings about ffmpeg. It's supposed to goat and poorly written. Oh, that's spice. I highly suggest using CLI since edge cases that aren't documented. Oh, it has edge cases that aren't documented. So using the libav lower level parts of ffmpeg has some weirdnesses. Oh, interesting. Okay, okay. Guys, what? Oh, wait, this question won't work. I was gonna say, wait, for those of you who live in a, who live in a country where you've got like the U smiley face, you know? The U with the 2 dots and it's like a smiley face. What does that sound like? Okay, U with 2 dots. I don't remember what it's called. Yeah, this guy. Wait, I did an image. This guy, you know what I mean, right? Ulet. Yeah, that. It's like a little smiley face. It's so cute. Yeah, uwu for real. Uwu. Umlaut. That's what it sounds like? Wait. No, that's probably just what it's called. How to pronounce. I feel like it's like oo. Oh, two dots is pronounced as oo, as in boot. Ooh. So boony. If I wanted to make it Bash Bunny, it would be Bash Boony. I like it. Bash Boony. I love it. I'll take it. I'll give you $500. I want it. Wait, there's a wider one too? Yeah, it's basically just a Canadian U. It's great. When I see uwu written in that way, my inner monologue uses Arnold's voice. Uwu. 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 All right. Let's get serious, you guys. We are programmers. We are serious. This is serious skills that we're working on here. Okay. Well, let's see. What do I want to do next? I want to move you over, and I'm gonna actually, we'll get Crush up in here. We'll use some AI. All right. I know you guys want it. Do you work for a company or do your own thing? I am employed. I work full-time at Charm. It's, here are all my colleagues. Devs need to be serious? No, it's actually, I think the most, okay, it's crazy to me. There's a weird stigma in programming. Okay, wait, let's get full Bash Bunny, my big old head in here while we talk about this. I think there's some like weird, I feel like there's a weird stigma in programming, and I think it kind of stems from like back when people would be like, oh, you're not a real programmer unless you do X, Y, Z, you know, unless you have like these specific skills or you're good at this thing, which already is weird, like weird take. And I've seen people like kind of bring it back in 2025, and I'm like, I think we grew past this. I think we're past this. But I think that coding can really be, I think coding is mostly a creative thing. I think that it's interesting. I want to try for myself. Like, what if I treat it as if it's art? What if I treat programming like art and I don't try to make it like, how to explain this? Like there is the whole where the goal isn't just the goal isn't to write like the best most efficient whatever thing. Of course you can always like do that later, but like do that when your type A kicks in. But where the goal is just to create, and that is the goal. You know, like just create as much as you can. You learn every time that you create and enjoy that process instead of like having such a black and white, like pretending that it's a well-defined path, because I don't think it really is. Like there's too much to know for it to be a really straightforward, like well-paved path. I think it's too broad, it's too vast. Like everyone can bring their own kind of flavor into programming, and at the end of the day, the best goal that you could have for programming, I think, is just to create and not worry about what other people are going to think about your creations. Like you create for yourself, create as if treat it like it's a little art project, you know? Like how cool would that be? I want to try doing that. That's my new, like, this is my new little like mindset with coding right now. And it has me so much more excited to explore. And I feel like it's actually shifting me into the right the right headspace, because I know that like we've spoken about this, there can be so much pressure, like self-inflicted pressure, um, as a programmer of like I need to always be doing what's best for my career, like what are these big companies paying and all of that stuff. And I feel like it's one of the biggest drivers of like why it kind of sucks the joy out of things when it becomes your job, is because you start thinking that way. But if you look at artists and what they're doing in their space, it's like actually the ones that are the best artists are the ones that just create. They just create the most, and they've been able to like iterate, and they improve every time. They get more into their own style, more into their own potential. And so like why are we treating coding so much more like so differently, where we at the end of the day, if you are creating, you are going to be building skills that are valuable, because it's too big. It's like a yeah, it's too vast of a field to pretend like there's only one way to do it. Okay, Musashi says this reminds me of, are you a writer if you write but you aren't published? As an author question. You're a writer as long as you're writing. If you're not published, then you are not a, then you are an unpublished writer, but still a writer. Yeah, yeah. It's funny how it's funny how like we can put all these weird, honestly kind of somewhat irrelevant detail, like um we can focus on these on weird parts of a path, when in reality there's the value doesn't come from like, oh, I know Docker. It's like the fact that you've created things, and maybe that tool fits into your project, but at the end of the day, the value where you actually learn those tools is like through creation and creativity. Anyway, I'm still thinking about it. I'm still thinking about it. I don't know if I'm communicating my thoughts that well, but yeah, I'm thinking about it. It's kind of fun. Treat programming like art, you'll never ship anything ever again. Really? I feel like not though. I like, if you look at artists, like they finish their piece and they move on. But like, I think what I really find inspiring about artists, because I was like, I've I was looking into different like graphic designers and art, and like I don't know, people in the art space and stuff, and I was finding it really inspiring. And I think what I find most inspiring is that they start to like, when they're working on a piece, they start to see and be in and allow themselves to be influenced by their environment in a way that positively affects their piece. Like they're able to kind of like find inspiration just through like daily things, and that like feeds back into their art. And I feel like as programmers, wouldn't that be the easiest and best way to like have new ideas, is to like almost allow your interaction with your environment to be porous, and allow yourself to like take in what's valuable in your environment, what stands out to you, and be able to not get caught up in like, how am I going to implement this thing, but just like, hey, this is a really cool idea. Let's just try it. Let's just jump into it. Let's try to create this, and then figure out the details as you go. Yeah. That's the vibe. That's what's going on up here right now. It's kind of fun. Max says coding is an ocean. We all have our lake of knowledge, but we shouldn't diss foreign waters. It's all wet the same. It's true. That's true. That's true. Lithium says programmers are jealous little worms sometimes. That's because people are jealous little worms. Just existing tickles people's jealousy muscles. I mean, in some cases, yeah. I think at the end of the day, ooh, thoughts on jealousy. I think that I think that if you see somebody where you're like, oh, I wish I could do that, or I wish I had that, if you're inspired, it's coming from a place of like, I actually believe that I could do that versus maybe jealousy. I think jealousy comes more from a place of insecurity and just not and kind of saying like, I think actually the internal monologue with that, with jealousy, whether you realize it or not, is like, that person did that, but I don't know if I could. So I don't like that they did it, because it either proves that I could do it or it reinforces this narrative that I can't. And now I feel less than. I feel like that's probably the mindset with jealousy. I'm not really somebody who's dealt with jealousy because I just, like, my competition is with myself, right? Like obviously there's some times where, like, if you're in a low, like it's hard not to compare and like be like, "Oh, I wish I was there." But at the same time, I would never wish that person failure or anything. It would just be more a frustration of like, "Oh, I wish that like I should be doing that." And it's like again, it's approaching things, I think, with like expectation and not curiosity. That to me is a big factor. Furry says, I've always considered coding half art, half science. Yeah, I would say so. It's like, but yeah, like, yeah, I agree. Because I mean, the science part kind of fits, as in like it works or it doesn't. It is kind of black and white in that way, but pretty much every other part of it is gray. So yeah, anyway. Okay, we chat about this for a sec. Okay, Waylon says, I agree, but it's difficult for the general public to understand the art. Most many people at a company might say is that is a lot of code, or that looks complicated, much different from looking at art in a gallery. But I doubt though, when you're looking at a company or you're showing your project, who's looking at the source code? I feel like as programmers, we really overestimate like how many people care about like how nicely the code is written compared to like what the outcome is. Obviously, like, you know, it depends, obviously. But I'm just saying, like, you can always clean up the code. You can always like learn from it, change things, whatever. But like I don't think that if you're looking if you're looking to work at a company, you'll be like, yeah, this is what I built, and like here are the different tools and stuff that I used to build it, and like here's the final product. But they're not going to be like spending their evening going through all the source code. We don't finish and move on, we obsess. Yeah, I think that's another really big thing that we do as programmers. It's like we know that whatever we build is never finished, but then it also means that we kind of leave the door open to like for it to take up mental space for us, instead of saying, okay, I did that, and then what's next? What else can I build? Consume in order to create. Yeah, it's important to stay inspired. It's huge. Pravan, are we pro Theo or pro ffmpeg? Dude, Twitter drama is so irrelevant. I feel like in all cases with Twitter drama, there's not like there is no side to take. Like there isn't a side to take here. I don't know what you're talking about. Musashi says, I think it all comes down to whether you describe yourself as a demigod coder or not, because that's just ego BS. In IT, things are constantly and quickly evolving. No room for ego, in my opinion. Yeah. Yeah, I think I don't know. Ego is a very interesting thing. I've like yeah, I don't know. What's like what's okay, just to get like hella philosophical in here. What's the point of the ego? Like, what's the point of having an ego? Like, what does it do for you? Does it give you like confidence? Is it something that you tell yourself like when you're feeling low, when you're feeling like um in moments of uncertainty, you're like, actually, this is my identity. This is who I am. So it's fine. Like, is that what it subs in for? I feel like it kind of is. Because, like, I don't know. Like, can you be egotistical but also have flexibility in your beliefs? Envy is a deadly sin for a reason. Yeah. Yeah, I think so. I used to have one and then I realized how little I know. Yeah, for real, for real. I'm just catching up on chat. Sorry. Hopeless Nerd says, "Hey, loving the vibe as someone who studied programming at college 20 years ago and did nothing with it. What tips could you give to get back into it and actually use skills that I want to use?" Um, Honestly, I think a big part is being inspired. I know that people give like a lot of online creators flack for being like, you're not as good of a programmer as me because you're not grinding like 12 hours a day coding all day every day. No break. We out here, we grind. But I think inspiration is a pretty important part of getting started again, and it can give you a goal to strive for it because sometimes it can be really hard in software to set goals of like, I don't know. You can say like, yeah, sure, learn this technology, but at what point do you like know the technology, like, or the language or whatever? Like at what point is it like complete? Like it's not really. But you can strive to emulate certain people. And I find that kind of thing very helpful. Um, Personally, what I would look at is find what's interesting to you. Find something that's interesting to you about coding. I would say like for me, I love a lot of I really enjoy learning about more of these like older tools, like tools that have just been around forever. Great pieces of software, terminals, different like I'd say a bit more like not quite lower level things, but that is like I guess I guess kind of lower level things. Um I did a video recently on my YouTube that where I shared some of my favorite blogs. I think those people might be really good sources of inspiration for you if you're looking to get back into it and just be like, where would I want to like, who would I want to strive to emulate? Where would I aim to be? What kind of level of skills do I have? And what are those people interested in? And then see if anything sticks. That's what I would say. Um, yeah, because it's such a broad question. So I don't know if you're like trying, if you're just like getting a feel for it or you already have something that you're ready to focus on. Because like, how do I get back into it versus like, how do I learn to code is a bit different. Okay. Chama says, "Hi, first time here about the jealousy thing. I think that feeling comes from when the jealous one thinks that they should know to do the thing that the other person is doing." Yeah, I agree. I agree. And it's funny how often we can like have that as a self-imposed stressor. Like who says you should know that? Why should you know that if you haven't learned it, then why should you know it? Doesn't make any sense. Okay, Robert says, "I think the main purpose of ego is to defend and protect in terms of philosophy." Yeah, I could see that. Yeah. I would say that's honestly how I treat it and like view it in the wild. Like if somebody's very egotistical, I'm like, okay, I just like I'm not gonna get through to you, and obviously you're not interested in like talk, like you don't want to know, like you don't want to talk about it, so that's okay. We don't have to talk about it. but I'm not going to try and like fight your ego. There's just no point. Okay, Lithium says my ego gives me confidence to stand my ground when challenged. Otherwise, you just fold all the time. Mm. Yeah, I guess so. Yeah, I don't think ego is inherently bad. I think there's like it's a spectrum, right? Like too much one way, too much the other way. It's not a good thing. I think the way code looks is part of the aesthetics. I always enjoy looking and writing beautiful code. Yeah, it's true. But that is also part of why we end up with like the graveyards of side projects that never got finished, is because we get like too focused on how the code looks and not enough on like on like the actual performance of the application, whatever. Confidence without humility is where you're going to wreck yourself. Oh, 100%. 100%. Oh, okay. Marble Wraith says, speaking in terms of evolution, ego forces you to compete. The better mating partners rise to the top, and in the end, we end up with feudalism and the 1% owning everything. It is interesting. Ego is an interesting thing because like if you have a big ego, it also means that you probably have a lot of self-conviction, right? Like you speak with a lot of conviction. And 99% of the time, convincing somebody that you know what you're talking about is your conviction and your belief in yourself. Like that's how you can be a good liar, is you have to like full believe the lie. You have to embody that, right? So like ego is kind of similar for in terms of like being able to almost relay your competency in a way. That's not to say that you like, you know, it's not I'm not internet, don't do weird things with that. Do you know what I mean? I'm like, that's not to say that it's like you have to have an ego to be successful or whatever. I'm just like, you can be very humble and still be very successful, but I you do actually at a certain point though need to be pretty direct about like your achievements and your accomplishments, and I'm so bad at that. Sailor says, I'm changing industries from performing arts to tech. Coding has always been just as creative to me and even more satisfying. Yeah, yeah, it's super creative. And lower level things, how low we're talking. No, I'm just talking about like terminals. Like it just, I don't know, like abstracting things away from just GUIs, basically, I guess. That's the depth of my low level for now. Disruptor says, just want to say first time here in this open discussion style stream is great. Thank you for providing a cool space. I appreciate it. Thank you so much. I mean, that's kind of the goal for me, right? Like imagine if I just came on here and I don't know. I feel very fortunate with the chat and the people that kind of gather here, and I feel like that's kind of my role in this whole thing, is I'm just someone who like I try to set a vibe and like try to be inclusive and like bring people together, you know? It's nice. Take credit where it's due, otherwise it's difficult for others to trust your resume. Yeah, I agree. I agree. Deflection is not a good thing when it comes to positive things about you. I'm the curator. Exactly. I pick and choose who's here. I'm the boss. Got him. Wrecked. All right. Let's get back into coding. Okay. Oh, actually, um, all right. Well, okay. I feel like we have a pretty good understanding of what we want to do. Let's use. We're gonna use AI. You guys, we're vibes. We're vibes. We're gonna vibes. We're gonna ask it if it's even possible. Oh wait, okay, here. Let's ask our little question that we had defined. Is there a way to detect the subject in an image with Imagemagick? What are we building today? We have like a bit of a, as you saw, a little bit of a idea list going on for cool things that we can maybe do with Imagemagick and ffmpeg. What I would love to be able to do is almost have these as like different little presets. So I could write a shell script that uses gum to make it interactive. So you can pick a file, and then once you've chosen a file, it'll detect whether it's an image or a video. And then you can select from like available operations that you can do, and we have these as like saved, you know, functions that you can run on your image or video. AI is fantastic for getting yourself set up with an API you've never touched. 100%. I think it's really valuable in the research stage. Obviously, this is like a pretty simple project, and it's basically just API stuff. Like you're just trying to figure out what capabilities there are for these tools. So I definitely think it's like an appropriate place to use AI. Yeah, I think it's fine. Otherwise, I mean, in this specific stage, it's not like I wouldn't be like learning anything necessarily perusing the documentation right now. Like reading the whole thing through, don't know. The heck, I just learned about gum. It's so good. It's really good. I run ffmpeg on Mac and it works. I use it on Mac. I don't know what their stance is. Backlord, thank you so much for hanging out. I appreciate it. I hope you have a great rest of your day. See ya. Nice drink. How many carrots is it, if I may ask? A whole bag of carrots. I'm a bunny after all. All right, let's go back to, oh yeah, we're in here. Okay. Imagemagick doesn't have a built-in subject detection capabilities. It's primarily designed for image manipulation, aka resize, crop, color adjustments, etc., rather than a computer vision tasks. Oh, okay. You'd actually have to do something pretty. How does the photo? Oh, I guess it's closed source. Wait. Let's ask. Does GIMP have a subject selection feature? First time I see Crush. Does it work with local models? It does. Yay. Yeah. It does. I actually don't even know if this is the latest version. I kind of forgot to update it before stream. YOLO is for you only look once here, right? No, it's not. Carrots are good. I mostly eat spinach. Yeah, carrots are good. They are good. I messed around with OpenCV and NumPy for a Python script to detect objects and edges of the image. We'll consider it. I'm scared, but we'll consider it. I'm sure it'd be fine. Nothing can stop us. OpenCV, TensorFlow. Downloading now, thanks. Yeah, no worries, no worries. I think you can automatically describe the contents of an image using a vision language model. Oh, that's interesting. Yeah, that makes sense. I always wanted to learn Bash, but every time I ended up just using Python. Dude, that's so relatable. You're looking for object recognition. That's more of an AI thing, isn't it? I mean, maybe. Can we use a? Oh, that's what you guys are saying. Magic salon basic subject. Could I use AI to find the subject of an image and create a new image with just that subject? RemBG, I think that's what we want. RemBG. I don't want to build it from scratch, you guys. That'd be cool to try. Of course it can. Yeah, I can do anything. Yeah, living our dreams. Living our dreams. All right. Okay, so we have that down. Okay, cool. So we can get the subject. Get subject. Okay, if I wanted to darken, I need an image. Hold on. Give me a sec here. I think I've got some images here. Okay, let's try it on this one. This is fun, you guys. What did I even call this thing? Socials automation. I'm so bad at naming stuff. There we go. All right. Cowork.png. Okay, that sounds cool. Pip install RMBG. Do I have pip installed? I don't even know. So you really want to go the Python whole? No. We're not. I just need a command line tool. We're just gonna tie stuff together. Pip, I've pipped through it, yeah, for real. All right, so what are we installing? RemBG. Oh, I don't have pip. Hello? Maybe I'll just look up how to install it not with pip. Or I can install pip. I'm sure they have it through like a package manager, no? RemBG install. Here's the pip has vulnerabilities. Do I bet? This looks pretty decent. Is there no other way to install this? Dude, what? We need Go Releaser. We need Go Releaser up in here. Oh my god. Oh, I should not have been sitting on my leg like that. Oh, man. Pip stuff can be a bit of a pain to get working. Dude, that sucks. Alright, what else you got then? Oh man, my knees. Oh, no. What is a salient object? don't even think I have Python installed. Hello? Yeah. Oh, I do have Python 3. Wait, then how do I not have pip? Don't I need... Hello? Alright, whatever. This seems silly. Like, can't I just get the... Then you could... Yeah, it says I don't, though. Maybe I accidentally removed it. I don't know. Should we just do that? No nodule named ensure pip. Download the script. Dude, this is such a pain. Just ship a binary. Hold on. Oh. Install UV and then UVX. Wait, really? Python is always like this? Dude, what the fuck? Oh, what did rabbit ear says? What? Rabbit ear? Oh, source the bin activate in the dir made... Oh, okay, wait, hold on. I haven't used any Python projects in a while. Like, years, I think. I don't know, it's nothing built with Python anymore? What's going on? ¿Por qué? What am I supposed to do with Python vem dir? What is that doing? UV pip is very smooth. What is UV pip? Huh. How do I... Wait, what? How do I copy you? Does that copy every selected text? Wait, that's cool. I didn't know that. I haven't tried our, I haven't tried that yet. That feature. I never use normal command prompts anymore. Astral UV. Okay. No checksums to verify. All right, let's do it. Okay, so UV pip install package. Okay. UV. Oh. 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 This is what you're talking about. Dude, this is wild. This is how, wait, this is how you ship Python software? This is wild. Wild, I say. What? How do I run it? Pip install, UV pip install. Source. Oh. Oh, I have to install my... Hold on, I gotta update my path. Let me just... I don't think anything weird is gonna echo, but you just never know. Do I have to run it as like pip, like UV, wait, UV pip, UV rembg? Oh, UVX? Oh, maybe you gotta use the global flag? I see, I see. UV add package. No need to do UV pip install. Oh, really? Wait, UV. No. Didn't like that. Hello, hello. Oh, it created a venv directory which has a bin inside. UV init first? Dude, what? Okay, hold on. Source venv bin activate. Oh yeah, actually I did. I did actually write down when you wrote when Rabbit wrote that the first time. I see. Oh, there's nothing. Hello? That's crazy. This is crazy. Dude, I haven't... What? I don't know. Why is this blowing my mind? I'm like, this is so many steps to install... To install this. That is insane. Alright, well, we're gonna have to include that in the thing. Okay, let's try... MBG... Oh. Really? UV help? I need UV help too. I need everything help. Use pip directly inside of UV, it would have been 100 times slower. What? What the heck? Okay, run a command. Oh, run a command or script. Create a new UV tool. This is insane. Bro, in Go, you can literally just do go install and then the path to the GitHub repo and it installs a binary on your path. That is crazy. UV init and then UV add rembg, UV run Python. You need UV run before the usual Python commands. What? Really? I think I already did UV init. What in the world? Dude. At this point, you can do whatever you want. You're already in the environment. Okay. You can do whatever you want. All right. Dude, this is like blowing my mind right now. Can't install on Python. Oh, I'm only per... Oh, less than... I'm too updated on the Python. How do I downgrade Python? Python. Let's do 3.9, I guess. Oh, that's totally not. Dude. That's crazy. No. It used to be 100 times worse. Installing binaries from the GitHub is also kind of crazy. It's a little crazy. There are 2 places where you need to tell it to use Python 3.10 instead of your current Python. Bro, are you for real? Oh, what is happening right now? Oh, skip, activate. Okay. This is, at least now it's telling me what to do. Wait, hold on. I missed the message where someone told me what was happening. Okay, UV. Okay, here. UV init. UV. That's insane. Don't know why you can do UV pip install package, but also UV add. Okay, so you do that instead of the pip install. Are you using Python out of choice or necessity? Necessity! It looks like a good project. I'm just trying to, this is giving me a crazy dependency to have though. Right, okay. Did I already do this? I don't even know. I think it failed last time. Oh, I have to give it, okay, you were saying there's another place. This is crazy. Okay, wait, UV Python version? Can I do it? Is this a thing? Bro. Create a virtual environment. Install. Do I have to install the other Python? UV Python. Okay. I already did this one. Already exists. Yeah, let's replace it. Okay. This is insane. UV run Python. Oh, it's UV run. Oh my god. Version is mentioned in the Python version current directory too. Dude. This is insane. Okay. So this is crazy though. You have to like learn how learn how to use UV. Okay, wait. UV. Okay, so I have to use UV run Python. Okay, and what now I can do rembg? The fuck? Why am I why am I in an interactive UV run Python rembg? I don't know. We're just gonna keep typing things in here until one of them works. Failed to spawn? Jesus Christ. How do I run rembg? UV run Python. Jesus Christ. Oh my god. Dude. What do you mean? What do you mean? What do you mean? Oh, right, because this shit's breaking. Right, this is where we keep getting... This is so annoying. Cannot install... What version of Python? Where and why? Can you Python... Yeah. But it should be... Isn't it using the UV... It's using the UV Python... What was it? UV run... Dude, how do I... What? Didn't we just establish this? UV pip install. No, just leave it. Just don't touch anything. UV Python install. UV venv use Python 3.9. Someone was saying there's like a Python version thing. Can I just change this? Can I just change this stupid file? I don't know. Let's break it. UV run Python. Okay, okay. I'll listen to the chat instead. This is insane, dude. UV run Python. Like, what? You should not have to do this just to install a Python program. This is insane. Oh my god. UV run. What was the... Hold on. Also help sometimes. Yeah, seriously. Just give me an exe for the love of God. Yeah, seriously. Just give me something executable. Whoa. Delete venv and... UV install Python 3.2. 3.12. We're trying to install... Well, okay, I just installed Python 3.9. We need to use Python 3.9. Pins the version to 3.9. UV Python pin 3.9. Jesus. Incompatible. Requires... Hold on. I'm trying to keep up with what you guys are saying. Delete venv, create a new one with the proper version. Okay, okay. No going back. Okay, UV venv Python 3.9. Let's use this. Oh. Oh. That did not copy what I wanted it to. Oh dear. Okay. Incompatible with the project's Python requirement. What do you mean? What do you mean? What do you mean? What do you mean? What Python? What? Oh. I'm so confused. Where did all these files come from? Is this from... What is happening? This is from UV init? What the heck? Why did I run UV init? What? I need to... Okay, this creates a bunch of... It's like... So that's creating a Python file. A Python package. Jesus. Python 3.9 should be 3.10. No, it shouldn't. I can't... It needs to be it needs to be less than 310, I think. When I was doing... It was a UV add RMBG. Yeah, it wants less than 10. Jesus. Oh my god. How do I, like... Can I do UV... Okay, wait. UV help. Can I, like, delete... I need the opposite of init. Just modify its TOML file? Alright, fine. Bro, just... Actually, I'll just change it. Hold on. I'll just change it to less than... Oh, okay, or not. Less 3.10. Or, sorry, bro, I'm like dude, my brain is broken right now. We love computers, you guys. Don't forget. Don't forget, we love computers on a Thursday. Love them. This is so silly. Okay. Now UV, oh, UV sync? I didn't UV sync. I don't know. I don't know what that did. It's fine. Okay, so now, in theory, I should be able to go... Okay. What? UV run... RemBG? Rem... What? Hello? Remove the dash? Oh. Oh, Jesus. Does not contain a lower bound? Bro. RemBG, no file, dude. You forgot M? There's no module contains. It's still mad about my stupid TOML thing. This is insane, dude. Hello? Wait, this is way more complicated than just using build and venv. I don't know how we got here. I'm not gonna lie. Oh my god. You know what? Where are we? I don't know what directory we're in right now. For crush. Let's just fucking get crush to fix it. Like, seriously. No. Yeah, okay, I know it's the right one. Good. Sure. Okay. Cool. Thanks, Crush. Oh. It's not that one. Okay. UV. I like their little spinner, though. I will say, I like this. Oh, it's gone. What do you mean? Run RemBG. UV add. Oh my god, there's more depths. Dude. Maybe it'll be worth it. All of this just to man. Okay, UV add I don't know what this means. I give up. We're not gonna do, we're just not removing backgrounds. We're just not gonna do it. I give up. Python wins. What a huge waste of time, dude. What the heck? Erasing in Paint would be done. Dude, for real. That's insane. That's insane. I'm pissed. Crush, type the information from the last line. Yeah, I guess in theory I could get Crush to here. Let's try getting Crush to fix it. Whatever. AI, take over. AI, take the wheel. I need you to install RMBG. Fucking go for it. Pip not found in path. Go for it. Can I clip? Yeah, you can clip. You can clip. Whatever. Just do whatever you want. I don't even care anymore. Nothing can hurt me. No, I didn't tell it anything. I just said install this for me. We'll see if it worked. Oh yeah, I should get it to test that it works. Just do whatever you want. Don't forget to have fun. Agreed. Auto mode will... Oh, auto mod, yeah. Jesus Christ. This is insane. Oh my god, you need to upgrade Python or use run RMBG. Why wasn't... I don't even remember why we couldn't use Python 3.10. AI failed, it didn't work. Test that it works. Okay. If you can. You upgrade because RMBG doesn't support more than 3.9? Dude. Literally what? It takes a break from keyboard. Rabbit, I saw that you had some really helpful tips in there. You need to downgrade, not upgrade. All right. There's two things happening. The old bash envars and the old vemp directory. Man. I don't know. We're just going to let it keep doing what it's doing. We'll see if it can figure it out. It should not be this hard. Dude, it's ridiculous. This is ridiculous. Burn the computer. Do whatever you have to do. Just install this thing for me. This is insane. This is actually insane. If you want to if you want users, don't build with Python. This is what I've learned from today's class. Why do we need to activate the vemp? Why can't we just init 310, add the package, and just run? Both are possible. It wasn't working with 310, I think, but I don't know. Dude. Pip install? Dude, you're telling me pip install just worked? Started downloading Windows? Should I just... UV add click? Dude, I don't know what it's adding anymore. File type. What do you mean? Jeez, dude. Bruh. Yeah. Alright, let's just, let's try again. We'll give it another shot. Let's just do this. Okay, install pip for me. Yeah, I just saw that. I'm fixing to crash out, dude. I know. My job, the job I'm interviewing for, told me that it wasn't gonna be DSA. Yo, nice, nice. May have to move Python to dev null after this, dude. For real. This is... What did it just install? File type? Why do you need file type? It's still trying to... No, just stop. Just stop. Just stop. Just stop. Just stop. I just need pip. Oh my god. This is insane. Install pip on my machine. Can I use pip 3? Yeah. Not allowed for security reasons. Oh no. I feel like I'm taking crazy pills. This is insane. This is insane. I am gonna fucking lose my mind. This is so dumb. This is the dumbest thing I've done all week. This is the dumbest thing. Oh my god, dude. I'm gonna lose my marbles. I don't think I even have... This is so dumb. Oh my god. Do I have pip? Do I have pip yet? I don't have... Give me... Listen here, you little bitch. I need you to get it together. Oh, do I need a source? Dude, this is... I don't think so. Dude, I need to delete everything. I need to delete everything in here. Delete whatever.lock me the... Is it installed as pip3? Dude, I have no fucking clue. I don't know anymore. I don't know anything. I'm gonna lose my mind. Yeah, we'll see. All right. All right, it must have installed as pip3. Why is... I thought I didn't delete my venv. All right, we're deleting... Should I delete that? I don't even know anymore. I don't know. Everything hurts. My soul hurts. It's dumb. You can delete it? I didn't. You got this? This is so dumb. I'm just trying to use a Python tool. This is insane. You're in an active venv, that's why you can see pip. Python m pip could work. Okay. Oh, the envars might still be in your shell. It's what envars? Oh, nice. Nice. Jesus. That was so crazy. All right. I'm sure UV is great. I'm just gonna do this next time. This is insane. I love working with you. Thanks. Rabbit has been spamming helpful things in the chat for so long. Envars in all caps. Rabbit. Yeah. I definitely won't type env. Don't worry. I'm very cautious of not leaking things. Rabbit has been spamming helpful things in the chat. I'm sure just like on their end, they're just like, oh man, she's not listening. She's not listening. Ugh, I gotta get my stress ball here. This is so rough. All right, anyway. These are commands. I is something.png. I hate the squelching sounds that it makes though, like it's the worst. Oh, I have to put output as well. Hello? Oh, input, output. Okay. I see. See what happens. I don't know what you're downloading, but whatever it takes. It's stressful to chat this way, but I'm used to it. The social's automating. What is she automating? We got here. You want to see? We've got ideas of things to do with Imagemagick and ffmpeg. We're going to turn it into an interactive shell script. And it's going to be glorious. If you want to use something globally, okay. Global outside of venv, UVX. Yeah, it's downloading a crypto miner. Perfect. Whatever it takes. Can I there must be something. Okay, wait. Show image in terminal. There must be something. I think it's kitty. Wait, kitty. There's like a kitty kitten. iCat. Can I do this? Output. Did it? Hello? Oh, I don't know. Hold on. We got this. Okay. Kitty install kitten. Custom kittens. I don't need a custom kitten. I just need to use a kitten. I can. Okay, where am I in the docs? Oh, I see. It says it's built in. What version am I on? Oh, it's kitty iCat. Whoa, we got it. Wait, that's so good. What the heck? Like okay, it's not like I'm not saying the remove background thing, it's okay. Okay, wait. This is like, that's such a crystal clear image. That's actually insane. That's a free Python library. Yeah, you just have to go through the marshes of Python package management. I don't even remember what the other thing was called. What's my original file called? Co-work. Okay, okay. So it kind of cut out my shoulder. I think there's just not enough contrast. I got a little confused. You're impressed? I feel like it should have done better. But at the same time, maybe, That looks cool though. It's okay. It'll do. It's faster. It's not bad. I think it's not bad. I think if there was more contrast, it would do better. But how can I... Maybe I could like increase the contrast and undo it with Imagemagick or something. Try different AI models in RemBG instead of U2Net. Oh, okay. Oh, oops. I meant to do RemBG help. I interrupted it. Download models? It could leave it could have done worse. That's true. Download model. It doesn't... Options models? ... They have a list of models in the... Oh, I see, I see. I see. Oh my god, I keep clicking. I'm so close to losing my mind. Just so you know. Just so you're all on the same page. It could have looked like that. That's true. I know, I'm like, download model. What are you looking for? Okay, so there's U2Net, pre-trained model for general use cases, lightweight version. Sorry, you guys can't see what I'm looking at here. There's a model for human portraits? Oh, oh nice. U2Net cloth seg. Okay. Oops. Bro. I swear. I'm actually gonna lose my mind. Oh, there's one, upper body, lower body, full body. Pre-trained model. Okay, we'll try these two portrait ones, I guess. Yeah, we're trying that one. BeerFnet. Beer. Yeah, Crush, I'm gonna lose my mind. What do I do? SOS. Is Charm free to use? What specifically from Charm? But yes. We have like 20 projects. Okay, wait, now does it... Okay, let's try this again. I don't know if this is actually going to BeerFnet. I don't know how to change models. Saved in the user home folder in the U2Net directory. Yeah, okay, anyway. I think that's what it's called. M flag for model selection. Oh. It doesn't even have that in its help. Really? Oh. Yeah, no, it's okay, rumbgm. Oh, it's I? Okay, wait. We need to work on your CLI here, Mr. RemBG. We got you though. We'll work on it. We'll try and contribute something. We'll try and do something. So you're pretty good for jump scares, dude, for real. My big ol' head in there. Oh, I see. Oh, nice. Okay, okay. IM is roughnet portrait, and then we'll do the cowork.png. I don't know. Hopefully it works. We'll see. RemBG, save us. Yeah, the U2Net one also looked good. I think there were 2 portrait models. I'm somewhat concerned with how long this is taking. Just a little. I'm just mildly concerned. I'm gonna move. Wait, I gotta move you, chat. You gots to move. Oh, I guess we'll put you up here. Put you up with the bubble tea. It's mining all the chains now. If you have a GPU, you can use that. Oh. Oh, it's using CPU. How do I get it to use my GPU? I don't think my CPU's that strong. Hopefully we don't... Oh yeah, my CPU's at like 50% usage. It's mining right now? Oh. Oh, you installed RemBG CPU. Oh, okay, that's pretty cool. I didn't know that. Yo, that's actually so good. Let's go. Wait, that actually worked out. Okay, this was all worth it. This was all worth it. It was all worth it. Don't worry. Huge. Okay, that plus actually huge. Creating NFTs with the picture, selling on the darknet. Yo, good. At least someone's doing it. Someone's making some money. All right. Okay, cool. Our dreams are not just memes today. Okay, cool. Let me take a look at a little gum example. This is what happens when you don't give up. Yes. Yes. Exactly. It's gonna be great. That actually works, dude. That looks pretty good. I'm happy with that. That's sick. All right. let's do, I guess we'll do this one. Okay. Let's do, I don't know, images.sh. That would have taken much longer if Crush hadn't helped fixing the issue. Oh no. We can't trust AI. No, I'm just kidding. It was it did its best, okay? It did its best. Alright, so what is the goal for this little guy? We'll say modify images from a set of operations. I'll say that for now. Okay. And then we'll do a little gum chooserooski. So we're gonna do operation is gonna equal, we're gonna do gum choose, and we're gonna do remove background. Remove background, we'll do okay, the next one we'll do is darken background. Honestly though, I feel like I'm almost better off using one of the little API things instead of having the command line installed. Like Crush gave us like some other options with, let's see. Let's see. That's right. We overcome. We overcome. All right. So they were saying that there's some cloud APIs. Like these APIs might actually be better than having like a dependency installed. But then you can't use it offline, which is kind of inconvenient. I would probably actually need to use it offline. Local models, it's kind of fun, but there's no way. I don't got the specs for that. Are you kidding me? There's no way. Okay, we'll so Python. What is U2Net? I'm intrigued by you. You have, what are you built with? Python. I'll just KMS. Okay. All right. All right. Okay, so we've got the operation. If the operation, we need to do a little condition thing, which I don't remember how to do, but it's okay. So, well, no, we don't have to check. Oh yeah, we do have to check. So we'll check, get like basic bash commands. Let's just do cheat sheet. I know I could use AI, but it's fine. Don't worry about it. Don't think about it too much. Oh, it's giving me like, I need like, there we go. All right. So, I need like, I think it was like, it's, okay, wait, I think I remember. Is there EQ on here? EQ flag? Oh yeah, there you go. Okay. Guys, I'm trash at bash. I'm actually trash at bash scripting. At shell scripts. So just bear with me. Also, I think I keep hitting my caps key. My caps lock. Okay. It's all Scam Bunny, because she can't. It's Bash Bunny, but it's fine. If operation is equal to... This is... I feel like I need like a switch. Do they have switch? I don't think they have switches. Oh, they do. Oh, easy then. I think. I'm terrible at bash scripting. You name yourself Bash Bunny? I named myself after the shell, dude. I didn't. I was like, what do I like about Linux? I like Bash. I like Bash. I didn't understand it at the time. I didn't know. Okay. I see, I see. Okay. Stop auto-correcting things. Bro. Okay, then I would want to call a function. Which I'll have to define. Actually, I could just do the... Okay, file. I don't remember what the little gum file thing is. Disruptor says, TBH, you don't have to be good at scripts. It's better to understand the commands and then put them together beautifully. Maybe a pipe here and there. Yeah, exactly. See, guys? See? Daniel says, what terminal can I use so the crush shortcuts don't conflict with the terminal ones? I'm on macOS. It should be fine on, like, we've made an effort to support all of them. But personally, what I would recommend is probably Kitty, Ghosty, or Rio. Those are the ones I use, at least. I use Kitty the most, probably. But, yeah. Terminal, you can use terminal.app, but, like, I would never wish that on you. It's brutal. She's a bit brutal. Gum file. PWD. Okay. And then we'll do rembg. What did I just run it with? Okay, we'll do this. Or I know we gotta like double check. It's fine. Don't worry about it. Birofnet. We're just gluing. Okay, this would be a time where I would be okay with some AI assisted tab completion. We can make it. We should also probably have like a name output. I don't know, what else do I have in here? Text input. I think I gotta like, I can't remember if I have to like, I have to do some kind of little Uh, concatenation, wait, string concat. ZSH kind of sucks. Dude, fish is really good. Like, the fish shell is actually really good. All right, thank you so much. No worries, no worries. Yeah, I like even the terminal I'm using right now on Linux is Kitty. That's part of what I like. What drew me to Kitty in the first place was that it was available on all the platforms I was using. Yeah, like do I have to do these guys? I can't recall. I don't know. We're gonna do it and see what happens. It'll be great. Oh, output, input, this is gonna be, oh, oops, hello? Actually, I don't know if I don't know. I know, there's a bunch of checks I have to do first. And stuff shouldn't be an option if it's not on path. Oh. Hello? Okay, let's do, okay, we'll do some little validation things here first, too. Let's get Crush up in here, because I can't remember how to do this stuff. Here. I'm gonna ask it, let's do bash scripting, or shell scripting. I keep calling it bash scripting, it's just shell, chill. How do I... I think it would just be, wait, I think I'm cooking, hold on. I think I could just do, basically if Python exists, it would be which Python, if that is not empty. Which I think is, wait, yeah, like what happens, which, oh, it would be, whatever, we'll just, is, if you have a system installed, I can't remember the, oh, the command. Which is less portable. What is command V? I wish that it wasn't used so much. Compound command. Oh, there you go. Nice. Okay. run command with args. Okay, so you try running it, and then what happens if I run? I'm just gonna look in my own little browser or my own little terminal window here of like, command not found is what it gives me. So what is it? What does this one say? Program is available. Program name not found. Okay, and then what does V do? A description of command is printed. Oh, oops. I'm just reading. Oh, sorry. I was just reading the man pages. Don't mind me. If you want to install RunBG on your global Python, you can do Python m pip install. Yeah, I'll jot that down. Thank you. Pip. Yeah, that makes sense. That's what it had in the BG. I want the CLI option. If command view cursor. Yeah. Yeah. I was reading this. The pages, the man pages. Man pages. Alright, I'll close you. Alright. I'll just do that. If that, I think it's, what was it, Z? Oh, wait. Oh, it's just if that. Okay, okay. Alright, then what do I want to do? Then we'll just echo. Just do not. Hey Twitching, welcome in, welcome in. Fish is not compatible with bash slash ZSH script. What's the upside? Currently using ZSH plus omid ZSH. I would say honestly, it's the UX is really good. The UX is really good. Like if you have to run a script, you can still just run sh and then your script, or like bash and then your script. But yeah. Sorry, my brain isn't working today. Every space in bash is a field separator by default. Oh yeah. I think I'm supposed to do, aren't I supposed to do like a little this guy? Oh no, it's not. Is it? Oh. Dude, this is how often I write bash shell scripts. If then. All right. We'll do that. And we'll do. Actually, wait. Operation is gumshoes. Let's do a little. think you can just do file. You don't need the parens. Oh, really? I can't, yeah, I can't remember. I don't remember when you need those. I don't know. We'll try it. Who cares? You know what I mean? Just break it. It doesn't matter. We'll figure it out. That's not so easy at first. I just always forget it. I'm like, I never use it. Oh, use with quotes to... Okay, okay. Yeah, I don't know. It's okay, we have AI now. No skill required. I'm just messing, I'm just messing. Alright, else, operation. Hello? Oh, I had cap. I gotta, like, remap my cap ski, man. This is silly. I can't believe I've... Like, it's so silly. Sure. If it's remove background, then do this. Alright. I don't know if this is even gonna... Can I just do this? I don't know. We'll see. We'll see. Let's try it in my little... This guy. Do you use AI for autocomplete? No. It'd be nice for something like this, though. In my opinion. Hold on. This guy. Okay, the output, we'll do, output. I think that's gonna, ooh. Why? Oh, because it is installed, so it output that thing. Okay, okay. I need to do the... I need to send it to dev null. Anyway, that's okay. Ooh. End of file unexpected. At line 17. Oh. Oh, do I have to like terminate this thing probably? Switch case situation. Oh, I see. There's like I have to do this guy for each case, I guess. What else? Case, country in, and then I have to do this. Yes. Ah, okay, okay. We try again. Sorry, you guys couldn't see what I fixed. I had to add this guy, and then I also had to add this thing to like close it. Yeah, you should separate the cases with double colons because they'll probably fall through, right? If I don't. Oh, also wait, another quick little fix that I want to do. Let's go to this guy and we're just gonna I think this will work. All right, we'll see if that fixes what I'm trying to do. So every case should start with a thing if I'm not mistaken. Let me double check my little... I have a little cheat sheet. No, it doesn't... It doesn't say it has to. Cool. All right, let's try this out. Let's try it out. cowork. Output, output script. Oh. RenBG is not installed. Oh, it's because I did the whole, I sent the, yeah, okay. Yeah. That's okay, we'll fix it. We'll work on it. We'll just keep the output as is for now because I'm too scuffed for this. Oops, this guy. Those aren't the only, okay. Oh. I think it had an error or something. Output. Maybe I'll do like .png or something so that I'll just do output here. I should also probably do... I think if I do this... Oh, you guys can't see what I'm doing. I think if I do these little curly guys, then it preserves the spaces and stuff. I'm pretty sure. Little curly whirlies. Never hurt nobody. Like, is it ever using that? It is. Do I have to do this? Oh, I think I... Hold on. Why is it not? I'm a little confused. Oh, wait. It didn't even print anything, so it's not... Pull up. We're printing. I gotta print things. Oh, wait, hold on. Oh, I think that's... sorry, guys. I gotta add these little guys to preserve spaces, I'm pretty sure. I think I do. I think I saw that in passing somewhere. We'll see. Could be cope. Whoa. You can wrap variables in double quotes. Oh, is that what I'm supposed to do? I couldn't remember. It's like, it was something like that. I think it's supposed to, it's like this, right? Probably. Echo is your friend. We are echoing. Oh, also lulls at this. Okay, wait. Ignore my scuffed, you guys. Ignore. I'm doing my best here. It's fine. And probably what this as well. Can you guys hear the music? Do you guys like the music? Double quotes allow for shell interpretation. Single quotes is exact. Okay. Alright, that's cute, that's cute. Let's try this guy. Remove I, just I. Oh, you're right, actually, as well. But it wasn't hitting that case anyway. Why is it adding a comma? Oh, because I added... Hold on, I added a comma up here. Hello? Oh my goodness. Bug-driven development. It's okay, we're cruising. Line 17. We'll see. Selected to remove background. Okay, now it's doing something. Oh. Oh, input file correct.pn. Wait, what? What in the world? Oh, it does include the... That's why. Alright, we're good. We're good. Don't worry, guys. We're very close. We'll get there. Remove. You have 2 PNGs. Yeah. I think it's because I didn't... Oh, hold on. I messed up. I messed something else up in the script. Misplaced. Alright, I think we're okay now. In theory. Oh. Wait, what? Oh, yeah, yeah. That's what I messed up in the script. Oh, no. I don't know if my caps lock's on. Okay. Okay, we try again. Don't worry about it. Trial and error. And a lovely day for some pair programming with chat. Yes, exactly. I should probably have like a spinner or something that says like removing background. What is this terminal emulator? This one's Kitty. Yeah, she sure takes a while. Oh, right. Also, it's using all my CPU. Oh, takes away any use of $ or backslash versus... Oh. Taking a minute. I'll be right back. No. Oh. Spinner not found. Dang it. I accidentally wrote to the file while it was going. It's okay. Don't worry about it, guys. Oh wait, actually I can't do that yet. No. That is unexpected. This is... Are you gonna work? Maybe. Try again. Oh wait, did it work? Oh, there's out new. Cool, it worked. Nice. Nice, nice, nice. Okay, let's do a little, what do I want to do? Let's go to Crush and ask it more basic bash questions. Oh, actually, wait, I think Gum has stuff. Oh, Kitty, I've never tried it before, but curious about it. I use Ghosty because it also has the Kitty graphics protocol written in Zig, lightning fast, very based. Yeah, Ghosty is great. I use Ghosty as well. I jump between quite a few little emulators. Spin, there we go. How do you work? Okay, cool. Wait, I can just add this then. Add you. I think this will work. You guys can't see what I'm doing yet. Sorry, my bad. Okay. Hello? What am I doing? When do I have to use? Okay, I'm gonna ask Crush. Oh, it's for command substitution. Okay, so it should be okay here. Okay. Yeah, we're good. Okay, let's try this and see how we go. Get a little spinner action while we're... I also need to get it to not output this FremBG thing. I guess else I could redirect it. I don't know. Nice. So I can probably get rid of that echo. BRB. All right. We're moving a bit slow today, sorry guys, but I might have to end stream soon. I'll try and make this into a little video actually. Add out some of these features, flesh it out into a video. And yeah, it'd be great. All right. Let's see. There's something spin. What other platform you stream on? We're on Twitch as well. Twitch and YouTube. I don't use Ghost anymore though. Whatever terminal comes up by default is in the VM life. Fair enough. Kitty's written in Python. It's concerning to me because of that. It's pretty performant. It's like, I don't know. I haven't had any issues with it. Bash is a great language after the learning curve. Yeah, I should play with it more. I feel like I never have that many things to automate, but with ffmpeg and Imagemagick, like, how powerful could I be? You know? Just slapping some things together in shell scripts. Sounds like pretty ideal. All right, cool. So this is working. I'll add something for darken background too. We'll quickly try and do darken background and then I'll have to end. Good, just a quick little attempt. Okay, so we'll do darken background. Oops, hello. Add that little guy. And then I think what we can do here is we'll get Imagemagick. How can I... Here, we'll get this, let's get this guy in here. Okay. Imagemagick to create a layer, a black layer over an image with 30% opacity. Then I guess add another layer from okay, we'll see. Okay, so we've got convert the input, clone, fill black, colorize 100%. Create a composite. What is invert temp? First method does it all in one command. Second is easier to understand and modify. I'm fine with that. Oh, I see. So this is creating the black overlay. What is modulate? We'll here. We've got this guy open too. Modulate. No, no. Is that gonna work? Hello? Compose? It's all busted. Hello? Oh, it is. Okay. Composite. Overlaps one image over another. Are these flags? Or... I'll try it. Okay, first we're gonna try, let's try running it just in our shell though. Let's go with this guy. Your script looks good. Yo, thanks, Rabbit. You've been very helpful. I really appreciate it. Even though I kept not listening to what you're saying, so I'm sorry. But okay. I can do Alt E for Venmo, no? Was it Alt E or Control? No. What is it in Fish? Oh man. Wait, I gotta find it. Oh wait, what? I'm on ZSH, I think. Yeah. In Fish, you can do Alt E and it opens up your editor. It opens up like Vim or whatever, so you can modify what you're doing. Editor mode is ZSH. What is your shortcut? Glad you're learning it. Yeah, me too. Thank you. Oh, it's not enabled by default. Okay, lame. We'll just have to... We'll do, I think it was cowork.png. All right, let's see what that looks like. Oh, sorry, kitty. It's a little too dark there, bucko. How do I use modulate better? Fill black, colorize 100%, compose. I think it's supposed to be colorized 30%. What if I do that? Or like 20%. See what happens. Yeah, that's what I'm looking for. Alright, so yeah, it was getting there, but not quite. Might be a little too dark, actually. Let's do like 15%. Well, does it look the same? No, it's a little lighter. Alright. Can you guys see what I'm doing? I can't remember what I'm showing. Okay, cool. Alright, well that one works. So we're gonna yoink that. Is this gonna let me copy? I don't know, we'll see. Alright, if we do darken background, we will add you up here. The Twitch handle, it's under Bash Bunny. Alright, I'm just gonna close this guy. We can use that if AI fails. Okay. So we'll do temp with overlay. So this one is add dark background overlay. And then what's the kitty iCat thing? It's using the iCat kitten, which allows you to show images in your terminal, or like print iCat kitten, which is it like prints images in your terminal. Oops, I didn't type that, but it's fine. My bad. So it's like what you would do for cat, where you can cat out a file and it'll like print all the text in a file. They has iCat for like image cat, and it prints out an image in your terminal. Pretty good, pretty sick, I say. Okay, so we have temp with overlay. So that one creates the dark background overlay, and then let's add second image on top. Let's see. Okay, so this is what the AIs are saying. Is that in theory that should work. So this I'm gonna change to file. We're gonna do the same thing that we did before. I don't know. we're just gonna go with it. All right, we're gonna yoink the exact same thing from before. Okay. So that, and then we'll convert temp with overlay, and the overlay image, I think this is like optional. This I have to do prompt if they have image to put on top. Like, I gotta fix that logic, but like this is most likely the workflow that I would use. So we'll do that. Let's try temp with overlay image. Overlay image, let's make it this I'm gonna turn into, we're gonna make that, use it over here as well. Actually, we cannot. I'll just do I'll like name it overlay image. Whatever. Yeah, we gotta fix that. Okay, let me go to our little terminal window here. I'm just gonna like, all right, ls, let me move, okay. So, okay, let me do this once to create a new fresh, all right, sorry, we're gonna rerun our little scripts and create a cutout, and then I'm gonna use that for the darken background thing. It's a little scuffed right now. It's okay. Yeah, sure, we'll just do, actually, let's do, what is it? Overlay image.png. We're not doing anything crazy. I'm kind of just tying together existing tools to make, I'm tying together existing tools to make, like, to create, a shell script where I can do a bunch of predefined operations on images and videos. So remove background, we'll do that. I don't think I've seen options before, but of course I wouldn't know everything. Option. Oh, I don't know. No, my music is like stuttering because my CPU is using too much CPU. Oh no. Is that part of the sed command? We are... No, we're not using sed anywhere. I really need to install the version that doesn't eat up my CPU, though. She's struggling. I also like do a single stream, like I had a single PC setup for stream. So she's doing her best. Oh, I see what you mean. Yeah, interesting. I don't know why AI would suggest the clone thing, you mean? Slash, yeah. For backgraphs. I don't know what backgraphs are. Backgraphs, question mark, question mark, question mark. Look it up. Just to me to look up later. Okay, so we did the remove backgrounds. Let's try overlaying it. Convert this one, and it's gonna go, sure, we'll do, yeah, output.png. I should set a default. I don't know if I am setting a default. I think that's why ARM is so popular for these kind of tasks. Yeah, I think so. All right, we'll see if this works. Ooh. Temp with overlay. Ooh, unable to open. Ooh. Compose not found. Okay, let's try, wait, how is compose not found? It already did that? Oh no, it didn't do that one yet. Temp with overlay. Image sequence is required. Yeah, okay, so it's getting mad because it couldn't open the image. I don't know what the problem was with this one though. File. Because we did just test this one. Just add some echoes in here. No image is defined. What? Wait, this is weird. No image is defined here? That's a PNG. Okay, we try again. I don't know. Yeah, it doesn't like... Okay, what part of it don't you like? Because in theory, this one should be fine. Since when is file the whole... Oh, it is a whole path? Am I using fish? No, I'm using ZSH right now. But I use fish on my other machine. I want to get fish installed on this one, actually. Very interesting. It does not like that. No decode delegate. Let's ask Crush. Oh, I should have done a means that you're passing empty space / file name. Oh my god, it pasted wrong. You guys, look at this. I copied and pasted it from my terminal and that text was in there. This is weird though, because I thought... Also, I don't know where the spaces are coming from. It's very interesting. Okay, let's try you again now that you're hopefully less scuffed. Nice. Okay, wait. What was it again? Dark? Something dark? Oh. Oh. Temp with overlay. Okay. Right. Because we're still scuffed. Oh. Okay. Looking good. That looks right. Okay, so now let's oh sorry, you guys can't even see any of this, the revelations. Hello. Please, sir, please stop. I only need you two. Commented. Composite. File, convert that to overlay image, yeah. Oh, convert that. Wait, what is this? Composite. Is this supposed to be the output? Hold on. Where am I? Where is what's focused? Oh yeah, it is. Okay, so that's just me being a goof. Okay. So we'll do that. We'll do output dark eg.png. See how we go. I gotta figure out how I gotta remove that. We'll fix that. Unable to open image. Oh my god, you guys. I'm so goofy today. It's because I'm writing everything to PNGs, not the JPEG. It doesn't exist. Stop trying to use things. Okay. Alright, CPU is about to go brr. Oh. Okay, I think. Hello? The moment of truth. Yo. It worked. That's actually sick. Okay. That's actually cool. That's actually pog. Hugely poggers. Now I can change that to whatever color I want. We can change it to whatever. Dude, wait. That's actually crazy. Usually these little stray hairs would be causing so many problems with the background. Maybe those are stray hairs from the background. I can't tell. I was thinking you might get some edge issues if we're overing this separated image on top of the dark. Oh. It's like magic. Yo, nice. That's sick. I'm happy with that. I'm happy with that. We can add more to it. Add more to it later. Very cool. Very fun. Oh my god, how fun. How cute and fun to work on stream, you guys. Alright, we'll keep hacking on this. This is a fun project. I'm excited about this. Yeah. I hope you guys enjoyed the stream. Let me know what you think. Shout out to Charm for letting me stream during work hours on Thursdays. Huge for the Europeans in the chat. And yeah, if you guys want to learn more about Charm, you can go to charm.land. All the socials, all the RSS feed, all of that, all the projects, they're all up there. Check it out. The interactivity that you saw from the script was in Gum. So if you want to check that out, I think charm.land/gum might work. Otherwise, it's under, hold on, let me type it for you. All right. Otherwise, it is there. There's Gum. Might be better if it would darken the image using the alpha generated from the separated image. Using the alpha generated from the separated image. Yeah. Yeah, it could. I don't mind it being layered though. Because sometimes it can be a bit buggy. Like this is honestly, this is kind of similar to like when I do this style of thing in Photoshop. It's like I usually keep the original background and then I like put myself over it. Just like this. So sick. So sick. Okay, I'm stoked. Thank you guys so much for hanging out. I appreciate it. I will see you next week. And I hope you all have a lovely weekend. And I hope that you guys, if you were here for my little code is art talk, that I hope that that resonated with you. But yeah, we'll be exploring. We'll explore more. We'll have fun. This was a really fun stream. I'm glad that we got some stuff working. It's huge. All right. No, right today I can't decide. I can't make any more decisions. My brain's not working. But thank you guys so much. I'll see you guys next time. Goodbye.